Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to capture motion. Open the camera app and tap the live photo icon so it turns yellow. Position your subject, frame tightly, and check flash or exposure settings. These affect the one. 5 seconds of motion saved. Once done, hold the iPhone 11 steady and press the shutter. The phone records a short clip plus the still. Make sure there's space on your device and avoid sudden camera moves because live photo blends the frames into a smooth preview. After capturing, open Photos and select the live photo to inspect motion. Tap Edit, drag the frame selector to choose a new key photo, trim the clip length, and swipe effects like loop or bounce to change playback style. You can apply exposure, color, and crop adjustments while preserving the motion. These edits update the still and video together. Once satisfied, tap Done. If you need a frozen frame, choose Make Key Photo. That replaces the motion preview. To deliver the effect, tap the Share button and pick whether to send as a live photo, a still, or save as video to convert the clip into a standard movie file. This helps recipients who don't support live photos. When exporting, check that live photo remains enabled. Some apps strip motion. If your live photo shows no motion, open it, toggle live photo off then on, resave, and if needed restart the Photos app. This refresh often restores the short clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.